Welcome back to the kitchen. I am Busy Dad. Today we are making Thai pepper sauce. Doesn't that look good? Alright, let's see how we make this. So if I walk outdoors here to my deck, y'all can see that I've got this pepper plant. It's a huge plant. It's been in this pot for 2 years. It spent one winter indoors, but it's pretty much at the end of its life, and it's got all of these really spicy little peppers on it. And I could just make these into a normal pepper sauce, but what I very much want to do is do something a little bit different with this. And we got to figure this out before the first frost, which is probably just in a couple days. Okay, so these peppers, when they're ripe, they just come right off the plant like this. And if you can see, I'm wearing gloves because I don't want to get any of this stuff on my hands and then later into my eyes. It is so spicy. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to mash these up. You can see there's like juice coming out of it, right? It could squirt a little bit, so I'm just keeping my face well away. See all these seeds here? Super spicy. All of this stuff is spicy. Okay, once that's well mashed up, we're going to add a couple things. First, some sweetener. You could use sugar. I'm using a local honey here. Just going to throw that on. This is going to be a sweet sauce. If you want this to be a Thai-style sauce, then you're going to want to add some fish sauce. I don't love that. This is rice vinegar. Rice vinegar is super important because this is what carries that spicy flavor, but it also moderates it. And then some salt. We're adding a lot of salt today, actually, way more than I normally would for a hot sauce. Reason is, number one, this stuff is super spicy. And so we're not going to use very much of it. We're not going to get that much sodium per serving. Number two, this stuff is super spicy. And so it's probably going to sit around in a little jar or bottle for a while. And all this sugar and salt is going to help it stay fresh. Got this little jar here. It's an old jar of pickled ginger. And this is probably about the right size to put this in. So being very careful not to get this on my fingers, I'm going to try to put it in here. Wow, it looks so good. Oh wow, I dropped it. That's no problem. So we've got it all in here. You can let this sit around, ferment if you want, but it's ready to go. Look at that. It definitely looks like a Thai style sauce. So now let's try and see what it tastes like. Okay, so here we go. We've got some chicken noodle soup here. That's lunch. And so I'm just going to get a little bit of this sauce. Trying not to get too many of the seeds. You can see there's just a little bit of the pepper material floating in the sauce. Put that on. That's not enough. Okay, here we go. Mix this up. Give it a try. Wow. Ooh, it's spicy. You see, I only added a tiny bit, and it's so spicy, but it's so good. Alright, I hope you like this. I hope if you've got little Thai peppers lying around like I did, you have something to do with them now. This sauce should keep you warm all winter, if you make enough of it. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in comments below. And then see me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.